It's important for sales leaders to see at a glance how their teams are performing at any given time. More than just being able to determine how many salespeople have already attained their quotas and how many haven't yet, they would also need to understand what drives the over- or underperformance of someone in their team. This would lead to more meaningful coaching conversations and development of best practices across the entire organization. Luckily, the Varicent Lift Revenue Intelligence Workbench can do both. Its AI analyzes your seller's performance over a given period and identifies the factors that caused it. Let's take a look at the interactive dashboard we have for this sample organization. Right from the start, you can already see histograms of your sales team according to their attainment, average deal size, revenues generated, win rates, and many more. You can also map these out versus using your own metrics. The Workbench also gives you a neat picture of the patterns behind seller groups, which it created. We can see here that segment 1 with 27 sellers is behind on attainment. Their variable pay ratio and average deal size may be driving this, as this is what's common in this seller's group. Of course, you can also analyze this according to other metrics by cycling through the tab at the top. Next, you can also do an easy comparison of segments against one another for each of the metrics. The app also provides us a seller leaderboard. While this is fairly easy to create on a spreadsheet, the real magic is when we go behind the scenes to understand what drives each seller's performance. This seller, Becky Levine, has already achieved their quota by 134%. What helped her do that? The waterfall chart explains just that by breaking down the factors that contributed to her success. Imagine being able to do this for each of your sellers and replicating best practices, or pointing out areas for improvement to improve your team's performance.